Now we in a bird place.
There's a bunch of Net-Net Juniors. Baby Net-Nets. They over it.
Baby Net-Nets.
I'm over it. That's Tony Frog mouth. That's you.
Where?
Ah, that hit me. If I put my minions on you. Right there. Oh, that's cute. It's funny how they
They look like different versions of owls.
Yeah, they're cute though. Look, those are cute.
They're not moving though.
That's a DJ you look at.
Why are they not moving?
When you get bad, you look at them.
They're in stealth mode.
Why are they not moving?
Nisi, they're in stealth mode.
Oh, cute.
They look like a different version of ostrich.
Come here, bird. Get. South America. Those are pretty. Oh, I love. Holy smoky. There's a vulture. Oh man, they can mess up somebody. Look at his face.
A vulture.
It's pretty.
Yeah. Oh, his head turns around. Oh god.
It's turning its hair around. That's their home.
Yeah, is there one in there or is it two?
You should think about
Well, this is a king vulture. I know you can't see the words, but it's a king vulture. There it is, right there.
I thought it was another way around.
I'm not up to that thing.
There's another bird. There's another bird.
What's he doing, man?
Oh, they're pretty. I was trying to tell you there's another bird, a big bird back there. I'm going to go check. Well, because Anthony keep on touching on me. Come on, let's go back and look.
I'm back.
He's gorgeous.
Come here. I'm trying to show you something.
We can go get
Now, can I look at this one first?
They're all like
I'm going to show you this. Don't let nobody else see. Yeah, you put it in my face. Don't let nobody else read it.
It doesn't look real.
Here's an A. That is sick. That is so sick. Oh, I'm sorry. See, goofy. He is good. You don't like him for. Antoinette is hyped up on sugar, man. You hyped up on sugar, man. Here you are.
Hey, it's on stealth mode. It's doing nothing.
Look at that one.
Look at me now. Look, his head trying to look at me. He's following me. He's looking at us. He's following us.
It gets turned around.
He looking at them. He looking at you now, at me. Walk up his ear and make him look this way. He's giving a finger. So I get this. But they kind of pretty. As long as they're not in my yard, we're fine.
What's wrong with them?
I don't like owls.
You don't like
Their
them?
eyes are big, like this.
They're owls. Owls are cute.
Like this. Oh, this is what I'm talking about.
Where? Hey! It says looking for me. Hey, where is the bird? Does it blend in? Oh. It's gone.
I know, peanut. Yeah, peanut.
Holy crap.
Oh, look at his butt here. Look at him.
Wow.
Yeah, he's blending in with his surround. They're like a road runner.
Okay, that's weird. That owl just looked straight
you guys like my videos, because all these stuff looks really cool. Huh. Look at that bird. It's something. I didn't get to read it.
Well, that one. Oh, right.
There's one up there. Whoa!
Oh, that one here. That's one we seen when we first came in. Look at those cute little birds.
Are those cart? Oh, they look like
yeah.
cart.
What the heck is that? Watch out, 2 beaks. Hornbill. Rhinoceros hornbill.
2 beaks. That would have been weird.
Crack open, like coconuts or something. Uh-oh, keep going. You know,
That thing is cool.
uh-oh. he's done with this.
Trying to escape.
Yeah, he's over it.
I don't know if this is the same one.
That's so good. Some bitter. Little roadrunner. Oh, star. That's a star. What's the other one?
Holy
Oh,
crap.
crescent.
It's so close. Oh, what are those things?
Starling and
Oh, so that's that, and that is that.
okay, so that's where they took Star Raptor.
My YouTube fans are like this. Like, really?
I don't know.
Bustard. Oh. Did I hear that word before? It sounds familiar. What's that noise?
Oh, that's the bird that's making a noise, y'all. What? The big one? He's making a noise. I didn't see that one. He's making a noise.
What's wrong with it?
I see the one.
He's making a noise.
What's wrong with it?
Sound like Samson. Oh, wait, no, Ariana and Internet.
There it is. Where is Ariana?
Being slow. I think they're back all the way back there. They're still playing. They're all the way back there.
Look, one of y'all want to come get them and make them come this way. I'm sorry. Oh. Shakes his phone.
Let's go. Scarlet. Did you two know that there was a... Okay, we'll be over there. Over here.
Huh.
I thought that was a window or something. Wait, is it?
Oh,
Oh, I thought that was a window.
Jump there. He's like jumping down, being fat. Here they come.
There was two steady back there.
Why y'all got lost? That bird was making noise.
Tonight show. No, no.
See, those are your kids. Take care of them.
I thought it was y'all playing too much.
Nope, that what y'all get. Y'all should have been paying attention. I'm ready. We're looking at the big bird. Well, you should have been paying attention to your kids even if you're talking. Look at him.
That's not the toucan.
That's the one we seen when we first came in.
well, guys, I'm gonna end the video right here. Huh. Okay. What's that? Well, no, I'm not going to end my YouTube video now.
Who does this look like? Who does it look like?
And this is supposed to be a burrowing owl. And it's like right there just hanging.
I touched this.
Wow, look at that. Looks awesome. Well, I don't know if you can see it. It's dark.
Hey!
Whee!
Hey, what's